Snow, walk, surprise. Emily, shall we walk a bit more?
Yes, I like this walk.
It feels a little cold today.
Yes, the air is very cold.
Do you have your scarf?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Good. Please wear it.
Okay, I put it on now.
Emily, look at the sky.
What is it?
It is very gray now.
Yes, the weather may change.
Do you think it will rain?
I am not sure.
Wait a moment.
Did you see that?
See what?
Something is falling.
Is it rain?
No, I think it is snow.
Really?
Yes, small snowflakes.
What a nice surprise.
It is starting to snow.
This is so beautiful.
Yes, I love snow.
Me too.
Are you cold?
A little bit.
Here, take my gloves.
Thank you, Oliver.
Let us walk slowly.
Yes, the ground is wet.
It can be slippery.
Look at the snow falling.
It falls very softly.
I like this quiet moment.
Me too. It feels calm.
I want to take a photo.
Yes, go ahead.
Stand here, please.
Okay, I am ready.
Smile, Emily.
I am smiling.
Done. It looks nice.
Let me see it.
Here it is.
It is a lovely photo.
I like this moment with you.
I like it too.
Snow makes everything special.
Yes, it feels magical.
Let us stay a bit longer.
Yes, I do not want to leave.
Walking in snow is fun.
Yes, with you it is better.
Look out the window.
Wow, the rain is very strong.
I have never seen so much rain.
Me neither.
Can we go outside?
No, it is too heavy.
The wind is strong too.
Yes, the windows are noisy.
We wanted to leave earlier.
Yes, but not in this weather.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, but it is small.
Mine is broken.
One umbrella is not enough now.
Yes, we need boots and a warm coat.
Yes, like in deep water.
Look at the street. It is full of water.
Yes, like a big puddle.
Will it last long?
I am not sure. The sky is very dark.
I wanted to walk home.
Me too, but not now.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, good idea.
I will make it for you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
It is hot, very nice.
Will you stay long today?
No, only for today.
Me too.
Listen, the rain is still strong.
Yes, it falls very fast.
Maybe it will be lighter soon.
I hope so.
Look, it is a bit better now.
Yes, it is getting calmer.
If it gets lighter, we can go out.
Yes, no risk.
Let us wait a little more.
Yes, we stay inside for now.
Beautiful rainbow. Dad, look at the sky.
What do you see, Lily?
There is a rainbow.
Really?
Yes, it is very big.
That is lovely.
It has many colors.
Yes, they are all bright.
Dad, I like rainbows.
I like them too.
Why is it there?
Because it rained, and now the sun is out.
Oh, it feels a bit magical.
Yes, it does.
I can see red.
Yes, it is at the top.
Orange looks nice too.
Yes, and yellow is very bright.
Dad, I see green.
And I see blue.
What is the last color?
That is purple.
I like all the colors.
Me too.
Dad, can we take a photo?
Of course, Lily.
The photo looks great.
Yes, the rainbow is clear.
Will it stay long?
No, only for a short time.
Then we must watch it well.
Yes, it is a special moment.
I like seeing it with you.
I like that too. Good morning.
Good morning. Where are we going?
To the train station, please?
Sure. Please get in.
Thank you.
It is very foggy today.
Yes, I saw it this morning.
The road looks very white.
Yes, I can hardly see anything.
Does this happen often here?
Yes, this area has a lot of fog.
Is it hard to drive?
A little. I must drive slowly.
Yes, slow is better.
Are you in a hurry?
No, I have time.
Good. We can drive safely.
Do you always work this early?
Yes, I start at 6.
That is very early.
Yes, but I like my job.
Look, the fog is very thick here.
Yes, I can barely see the road.
Me too. Not much.
Do not worry. I drive carefully.
Thank you.
Will the fog stay long?
Sometimes until noon.
Then the day stays gray.
Yes, it often does.
Are we close now?
Yes, we're almost there.
Good. I want to be on time.
No problem. We will make it.
I can see the station now.
Yes, it is right here.
Thank you for the ride.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Small earth shake. Excuse me, did you feel that?
Yes, the ground moved a little.
Was that an earthquake?
Yes, a very small one.
That surprised me.
Me too.
I thought I felt dizzy.
I thought it was a bus passing.
No, it was the ground.
Yes, I felt it clearly.
Are you okay?
Yes, and you?
Yes, but I feel a bit nervous.
People are looking around.
Yes, everyone noticed it.
It was very quick.
Yes, just a second.
I read about small quakes here,
Yes, I heard that too.
but they are not dangerous.
No, it was very light.
Have you felt this before?
No, never.
Me neither.
Should we do something?
I do not think so. It is over.
Yes, everything is calm now.
Look, the buildings are fine.
Yes, nothing is broken.
That is good.
Yes, just a small scare.
A very small scare.
But we should be careful.
Yes, that is true.
I'm glad you are okay.
Thank you. You too.
Have a nice day.
You too. Stay safe.
Good morning, neighbor.
Good morning.
It snowed a lot last night.
Yes, very heavy snow.
My car is fully covered.
Mine too. I cannot see the windows.
Have you been cleaning long?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
I am just starting now.
It is very cold today.
Yes, the snow is hard.
I need my ice scraper.
I have an extra one.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
No problem.
Look, the front window is frozen.
Yes, mine too.
This will take time.
Yes, quite a long time.
Do you need to go to work?
Yes, and I am a bit late.
Me too. I am late today.
I hope the roads are clear.
I am not sure. There may be traffic.
Yes, with this snow.
Do you want some salt for the ground?
Yes, it is very slippery.
Here you go.
Perfect. This is safer now.
It is still snowing.
Yes, it is very strong.
I am almost done with my car.
Me too. Just a little more.
Finally.
Yes, we can drive now.
Have a nice day.
You too. Drive safely. Very hot day. Sophie, it is very hot today.
Yes, Dad. The sun is very strong.
I do not want to go outside.
Me too. We can stay inside.
Should we open the windows?
No, it will get hotter.
What can we do then?
We can turn on the fan.
Yes, that will help.
I already turned it on.
Good. It feels better now.
Do you want some cold water?
Yes, please. I am thirsty.
Here you are. Drink slowly.
Thank you, Dad.
Do you feel okay?
A little tired from the heat.
Then put a wet cloth on your head.
Yes, that feels nice.
Do we need sun cream if we go out?
Yes, we need it.
And a hat?
Yes, a big hat is good.
What about sunglasses?
Yes, they protect the eyes.
Can we still go outside a little?
Yes, but only for a short time.
Okay, I understand.
Wear light clothes, it is better.
All right, Dad. I feel a bit better now.
Good, we can go out for a short walk soon.
Very windy day. Oh, what a strong wind today.
Yes, the wind is very strong.
I can hardly walk.
Me too. The wind pushes me.
Is it always so windy here?
No, not like today.
The wind is very cold.
Yes, very cold.
My hair is flying everywhere.
And my hat too.
Be careful.
Thanks. I will hold it.
Do you need to go far?
No, just to the shop.
Walk slowly.
Yes, that is better.
The wind is really strong.
Yes, like a little storm.
Are you scared?
A little, but I am okay.
Me too, a little.
That is normal.
Look at the leaves.
Yes, they are flying everywhere.
The branches are moving too.
Yes, be careful.
Can I walk with you?
Really?
Yes, together it is safer.
Thank you.
Let's go this way.
Yes, here is less wind.
Let's walk slowly.
Yes, thanks a lot.
We are almost there.
Yes, just here.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Take care.
After the storm. Tom, the storm was very strong.
Yes, it was a big storm.
The thunder was very loud.
Yes, the thunder makes a lot of noise.
I was scared.
That is normal.
Why is it so loud?
It is the noise in the air.
Noise in the air?
Yes, with a lot of energy.
And the light in the sky.
That is the lightning.
Is lightning dangerous?
Yes, a little.
I was afraid of the lightning.
Me too, a little.
The light was very bright.
Yes, lightning is very fast.
Why do we have lightning?
There is electricity in the clouds.
In the sky?
Yes, a lot.
And now, is it over?
Yes, the storm is finished.
Will there be another storm?
I do not think so.
I cannot hear thunder anymore.
Yes, now it is calm.
Can we look out the window?
Yes, come.
Look, everything is wet.
Yes, it rained a lot.
There is water everywhere.
Yes, many puddles.
Can we go outside?
Not yet. It is slippery.
Ah, okay. Will the storm come back tonight?
I do not know. I think not.
Thank you, Tom.
You are welcome. I am here for you.
Oh, it is hailing.
Yes, it is very heavy.
That hurts.
Yes, it is ice.
Does it hail here often?
Sometimes, but not this strong.
The bus shelter is keeping us safe.
Yes, luckily.
Look at the ground. It is all white.
Yes, there is a lot of hail.
My hands are cold.
Do you have gloves?
No, I don't have any.
Here, I have some extra.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do you think the bus will be late?
Yes, probably.
The road is dangerous.
Yes, the bus must drive slowly.
The hailstones are big.
Yes, very big.
The noise is loud.
Yes, like a little storm.
Do you feel unsafe?
A little, but it is okay.
I feel a bit nervous too.
Hopefully, it will stop soon.
Yes, I want to go home.
Do you live far away?
No, very close.
Me too.
Look, it is getting less.
Yes, it is stopping a little.
That is good.
Yes, the bus will come soon.